Hi, I'm Neil from Jackson's Fencing. The catalogue of security equipment no longer contains fencing and gates. So what does this mean? If you're an architect, a specifier, or a security consultant working on higher risk sites, you will already have noticed this change. Fencing and gates are no longer listed, and the NPSA has stopped testing them altogether. So let's start with a bit of background. The NPSA provides national guidance on protective security for sensitive sites, including critical national infrastructure, defence, utilities, and parts of the public realm. Historically, the Catalogue of Security Equipment acted as a reference point, listing fencing and gates that were certified under the Manual Forced Entry Standard. Now, the NPSA no longer tests fences and gates, and they have been removed from the catalogue. The NPSA now places much stronger emphasis on something more important: tested performance. Rather than asking, is this product in the catalogue, the focus is now, has this product been independently tested to a recognised forced entry standard that matches the site risk? This is a shift in approach, not a reduction in security expectations. The NPSA now advises designers and specifiers to select perimeter security products that are certified to an appropriate forced entry standards, based on threat, risk, and required delay time. So what is a forced entry standard? A forced entry standard is an independent test that measures how long a product can resist attack using specific tools. For fencing and gates and turnstiles, this testing simulates real-world attempts to cut, lever, or breach a perimeter. The outcome is a clear, comparable rating that tells you how a product is expected to perform under attack. For architects and specifiers, this creates common language. You can match risk to resistance and specify with confidence. Among all forced entry standards, LPS 1175 is the most widely recognised and specified for perimeter security in the UK. It is developed by the Loss Prevention Certification Board and is used extensively across critical national infrastructure, data centres, utilities, transport and defence. LPS 1175 assesses resistance to forced entry using defined tool categories over set time periods. It uses a clear matrix that combines tool severity and delay time, allowing very precise specification. Depending on the project, other standards may be also appropriate. LPS 2081, which focuses on stealth attacks where noise must be minimised. LPS 1673 addresses violent targeted attacks, primarily for protecting people rather than assets. The Marauding Terrorist Attack Standard is used in scenarios linked to hostile attack methodology and public protection. And for access points like gates and turnstiles, STS 202 is also relevant. Each standard serves as a different purpose. The key is selecting the one that aligns with the actual threat. It is also important to be clear about what these standards do not address. Forced entry standards do not address climbing. In addition, detection measures and hostile vehicle mitigation should be considered for high-risk sites as part of an integrated strategy. NPSA guidance also highlights that forced entry standards do not assess vandalism, acoustics, sustainability, durability, or whole-life maintenance. A fence that performs exceptionally under attack may still need careful design consideration for noise reduction, visual impact, repairability and longevity. This is where good specification goes beyond compliance and focuses on real-world performance. So while fencing and gates may no longer appear in the NPSA Catalogue of Security Equipment, they remain a critical part of secure perimeter design. By specifying products that are independently tested to appropriate forced entry standards, particularly the LPS 1175, architects and specifiers can continue to deliver robust, compliant and well-considered security solutions.